Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix something went wrong on Instagram. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and you need to search for the Instagram application and you need to update your Instagram application. So once you've done that, you simply need to go back and open your smartphone settings. Here you need to go on to the app management and click on app list and search for Instagram. Here you need to click on storage and cache, and the first step you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage, and then you need to go back and log in into your account on Instagram, and after that your whole issue will be resolved and there is no issue in Instagram, as you can see. So this is the process. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.